Imagine there is something on your foot, so you take it and feel like you're doing a circle. One, like you throw it away and doing circle. One. So you have that little bit like a wheel and you take it back. 1, 2, 1, 2, taking it back.
I see.
Or more easy, you just relax your foot. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now here really let it free. Boom, boom, relax. Let it flip a little bit. Yeah. Let it flip. Boom, boom, boom. And now here, you see, we like here we go, and then straight. Whoa! So there is a second in the air. You stay there. Yes. So let's try together from the left. And 1, 2, 3. So it's not about the kick. It's more like also how you yo-yo, taking it back. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Pa. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wah. Yeah, that's it. Good.